have mothers today that are like that. If you talk to an only child, boy or girl, in fact, he get cutlass, he go kill you. He go choke you. Well. And that is where the whole thing started going wrong. I think we have a caller on the line.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening,
Good evening.
Good evening, Bishop of Oppenham Constituency. Hello, Eledumare.
I greet all the ladies in the house.
Good evening.
We catch him, Eledumare. How you doing?
My name is Bishop
Eledumare.
Constituency.
Nigeria, you and Papuro, they get problem.
See, God just save you. Your friend no day here. Your friend never enter. Okay, Eledumare.
When am I waiting all the time? Hungry, they fight.
Don't worry. Now, if you are fighter, no day here now.
Every time waiting the hungry, I make I don't enter. You make I tell your head.
Eledumare, sorry, Eledumare, you don't marry.
Almost.
Why you dey stammer now? Why you dey stammer?
You say almost.
Eledumare, you know why they ask you? I get one fine lady on my left.
No, she's not.
I'm not saying
it's not certain.
I'm not saying if he's searching. I just tell Eledumare because the thing where Eledumare talk, he said the ladies in the house. After it don't holla finish. Okay, Eledumare, Bishop of Oppenham. Constituency.
Onto the matter.
Onto the matter.
This is where it's talking. I don't see where it happened.
Okay.
You know, say Peter not they flog students again, no. If you try the mama come, now wahala go bust, Katala go bust for that.
Serious one.
It's unfortunate.
Hello, are you there?
I think it's network.
Okay. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead.
We are listening.
Baba of NTA.
Okay.
If you see wahala we bust that day, what happened? One of the teachers flog the woman carry the husband come and some boys, some people won't come beat the teacher, we flog them take it. If he speaks out there, people won't report there. Now I come the ask, what happened? They say now one of the teachers flog woman pikin. If I say they don't flog my pikin, no, why should you flog my pikin? Now you born now, I bring her for school, they say make it flog them. If he concern you, he no go fit report give me. If you see as they demonstrate, they talk am.
But the husband did there.
The husband no, the woman go gather boys son. They won't beat the woman
without even asking what happened. That's very bad.
Okay. No. That is what is happening. There's a time I will not forget one school.
Then what are you teaching?
There's one big school in Lagos. I don't. Although the thing went viral at that time, the teacher flogged. I don't know what the girl in that school, it's a girls' school, did to her hair. So he came to the school and the teacher cut her hair. The mother came to the school with scissors and cut the hair. I was in the university that time, and the school is not far from Unilag.
There is a caller on the line. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. Hello. Ken, this juju where you they use, wait, Ken. This juju where you they use, where you they always get through, when a lot of people go they try, they no go get through. Okay, fire go.
May I tell you the juju? Now the grace of God.
Okay. Ken, how you doing?
Man, I agree to. I won't greet on any of them. I'll be finally divided this student. I won't greet.
Okay, now.
Ken. That's what you do. You don't abandon Uber Fresh, have you?
I don't think your eyes don't be red.
So you where they talk small normally. Your voice on the sharp now. As you want fine lady.
You want green fine lady, your voice don't sharpen up.
She's intense.
God is not doing jealous.
Okay now, Ken chook mouth to the matter where
I
we
was
talk.
expecting Favor in the house today. What happened?
Favor is
a bit indisposed.
Yeah.
So he go show next time, maybe next week, sir.
No,
okay.
So you they shout out to Favor.
Very, very nice.
She they hear you.
Yeah.
She they hear. She go soon call herself. Okay.
Thank God she not this studio.
Yeah.
You don't join a lady marry.
Okay now, Ken chook mouth.
Now to the topic and the truth of the matter is you don't share as you share as you it been as you it been. Always say the women themselves don't leave their responsibility. Now 70-30. Now so even during the time when our parents when we grow up that time, that's what the thing did. You understand? That's what they say. Just as Maoga Uche James just said, you say the women they don't leave their responsibility. I don't believe saying na 50-50, and it can never be 50-50 because the man not the house. Now the woman had to take care of children. That is the reason. If you go to the Bible, you see the Garden of Eden. Now, if the house, now he make the serpent get that coming up.
Okay, now he can give you an apple to Adam.
Where Adam go? Adam no day now. You say Adam day.
Adam no. Because Adam won't go hustle things come. We will be men.
That time na paradise, waiting in the hustle.
Yes,
we go tend the garden now. They say make it tend the garden.
Hey, they take care of things there now.
You understand? So the matter say the man must go out, go fresh. Now you want to be the woman. Even if I know say nowadays things don't change. Even woman they go out. Go fresh,
and that's even what I want to hear. Yes.
But the woman will still forget say this is my responsibility.
Won't it be too much for the woman where she has to do the same work that the man goes out every morning to do, and she still, after doing that, she still comes back to the house to tend to the house? Ken, don't you think it's too much for her?
Listen now. Listen. You just talk, say, if it is too much for her. Not to say, if you not can do. What will they talk about? They say, some no they do.
Okay, some no they do.
And
some no they do. Speaking with the spread, with the look at the worst part of say you will even come say you assist and talk as and the thing I give example just now. You enter wahala. Now you help me burn. Are you the help me give her food? What it concern you? If you like his food, nothing concern you inside. You understand? So you not feel okay. There are really children. They are so stubborn that even when you they talk for us to talk to them, you they fear. Even when they grow up, that if our parents can see who they help and they talk for us, they will be very happy. If you don't want to listen to me, maybe not this person I will listen
to.
You will fear your uncle, you will fear your auntie. Uncle just come out for us now and say, Pikin, why you do this kind of thing? Mama will say, you're Pikin when they carry the food outside. You never talk to them now. Pikin won't come talk to you. So,
but don't you think, sorry for cutting you short, don't you think that the man has a part to play when it comes to discipline, not only the woman? Because I feel children are always scared of their dad.
That was
they are with their mom. Even up till now, there are some guys, there are houses that when you enter.
Let Ken finish so that we'll come to that. Ken, go ahead and conclude.
Let me ask a question. I'm always here. Now, the question you're asking is, children, they always fear that their dad. Yeah. And now, I always be talking as now, woman, now the way when woman say taking safe, now ain't that thing for the come out for house. Let me tell you the truth. You as a woman need to be feared by your children. Something will happen when your papa comes today. If the papa never comes, you know if you do something. I they ask you when you born. Papa never come.
Okay, Ken, now you are asking questions. Let me tell you, let me tell you personal experience. It will be better for me. It will be better for my mother to beat me than to tell me that I will report you to your father. Okay. That was in those days. But now, how many women will tell their child or their children that I will report you to your father, and that child will behave? Will be scared. How many?
Okay.
That's what we are talking about.
That's what we are talking about.
Yes.
Now, in that aspect now, it is the way the two families get themselves. The man himself, the way when he take himself, maybe when he enter house, you know the floor picking, you know they do anything. So in that aspect now, the beginning will fear if you mention say if your papa will tell the beginning will even fear. Now if you want the woman, let me give you a scenario. A lady has said it. Because they ask your mama and your papa which one you like, he say mama, like, but they could ask and say why? He said because it's part of the flow. See it not being mama, mama was a teacher. He said it not being mama, it was for. Say anything when they do, if papa would look at, if papa not be flow, they fear, you don't even need anything, say person cry for him. But in mama, if you do, you see your own. You just give you your own, they go.
If you do anyhow, you see anyhow.
If you are in such a situation, what are you supposed to do? As a woman, if you come and say the man when you marry, na cold water, na NCD. If you see the cold water, the whole speaking will spoil.
Anyway,
you understand what I'm saying?
Yes.
So women should now be
women should rise up in their responsibility. I know they say the men themselves just do their side, but the women themselves should also rise up. They should rise up on their own before the man will come take over. Because man will not be house now. I just the entire house now. For those that attack the come. So man will not be house now. I won't come to African juice this morning. I mean, I won't come to because you not do like this. You do like this. Let's call it sweet. So even you as a woman, if you want to choose a course or a working class where you won't be, you must be able to know the one who will help you on time, come have, and be able to take care of children. That's what I'm telling people. Not to say really, woman must